In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's jump right in. Open Adobe Premiere Pro, and with your sequence active, go straight to the top menu and choose Sequence, then Sequence Settings. This is where you control the overall canvas your video sits on. Look for frame size. You'll see two boxes for the horizontal and vertical values. To change a portrait sequence into a landscape one, simply swap those two numbers. For example, if it's 1080 by 1920, switch it to 1920 by 1080. You're not rotating the clip here. You're redefining the sequence orientation, so the timeline becomes horizontal. This sets you up for a clean rotation without odd letterboxing decisions being made for you. Once those two values are swapped, click OK to confirm. Now, let's rotate the actual video. On the right side of the screen, open the Properties panel. Here you'll see the transform controls, including rotation. This is where you can precisely set the angle you want. If your footage was shot vertically and you want it to display correctly in your new landscape sequence, type 90 for a clockwise turn or 90 for counterclockwise. If the clip was captured upside down, 180 will flip it. You can also click and drag on the rotation value to fine-tune if things look just a hair off. Premiere lets you use decimal points for precise alignment. A quick note on what's happening. Swapping the frame size gives your sequence the correct shape, and adjusting rotation and properties turns the clip within that canvas. These two actions work together. One defines the playground, the other rotates the player. If the preview looks different from what you expected, double-check that the sequence frame size values are truly swapped and that rotation is set to the exact angle you need. You can always reset the rotation back to 0 if you want to start over. That's it. Open Premiere Pro, set the correct sequence orientation by swapping the frame size values. Click OK, then use the rotation control in the Properties panel to dial in 90, 90, or 180 degrees as needed. With these quick adjustments, your video will be properly oriented and ready for the next steps in your edit.